Okay, let me play lick number 3 now to the backing track so you hear what it sounds like. Okay, let me teach you now how to play lick number 3. We'll do this one again in 2 parts. So we're going to start using the G major pentatonic scale in the open position. And we're going to start with these 4 notes. And that's going to be 1, 3, 1 open, 2, 3, 2 open, and then 1 open. I'm going to pick all those notes using alternate picking. Now, I'm going to do this and hear how those notes ring against one another, creating that cascading effect. The way I'm doing that is I'm starting on 3, 2, sliding up, half step to the country note, but I only pick it once when I slide. Then I'm going to play the 2nd string open and the 3rd string open. But while I'm playing the 3rd string open, I'm letting the 2nd string continue to ring. So I have them both ringing at the same time. And then I'm going to play 4, 2, and then 4 open. And while I'm playing those 2, I'm going to try to keep strings 3 and 2 ringing throughout, so I get all 3 strings ringing. Let's see if we can do that. 3, 4. So I have all strings ringing. Which of course means you need to keep your fingers out perpendicular to the fretboard. You can't flop your fingers down like this. You have to keep your fingers arched out over the fretboard so that you don't mute the unwanted strings or the strings that are already ringing while you're playing other strings. So let's put the first half together. Here's what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, here's the second half. Let me show you how it sounds. 3, 4. Start with the 3rd string open. And then I'm going to play the 4th string, 4, 2, 4 open, 4, 2, 4 open. And then down to the 5th string, I'm going to play the country note with my 1st finger, but this time I'm not going to slide. I'm going to pick 1 fret higher to the note of the pentatonic scale, and then go to the 6th string, 3rd fret. So it sounds like this: 3, 4. Two, 3, stop. Let's put both halves together. I'll play it slowly for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you watched closely, you'll see that I used my middle finger for one of the notes. That's optional, but it's just what I do. And let me show you again. Watch my right hand. 3, 4. Use my middle finger to play that note. That's another option. That's what it sounds like with a pick. And that's what it sounds like using my middle finger. So you might want to try it both ways and experiment.